Hello students, hope all is well from your side and you are enjoying your online classes. So let us come to our topic from real number. Today I am going to teach how to represent root 2, root 3 and root 5 and suppose root 10 on the number line, or you can say on the real line. See students, this is a very important topic, and from this topic definitely you will get one questions. So this is very important, and just see how we represent all these root 2, root 3, root 5, root 10 and similarly the other numbers on the real line. For this, what you have to do, you draw a line. You draw a horizontal line x O X. After that, what you have to do, you take you take O edge center and you can say origin. Then what you have to do, from this origin, you take 1 centimeter as radius and cut an arc at A. You know how to cut an arc. For this, you put the compass on O and cut an arc at A. And here OA is equals to 1 centimeter. After that, what you have to do, from point A, you take point A and draw a perpendicular from A. You know how to draw perpendicular, that you know it very clearly because you have learned in class 8. For this, just you cut an arc. You put compass on A and cut an arc from here. And again you take first arc, then after that second arc, and you then from both the arc you take distance as half or more than half. You cut an arc and draw a line which will be perpendicular. So you can say that AB is perpendicular to OX, or you can say OA. Now what you have to do, from A you take distance as AO, that is 1 centimeter, and you cut an arc from A to B, that is also 1 centimeter. So you can write AB is equals to 1 centimeter. Now what you have to do, from O you join OB. So now you use your previous knowledge, or you can take the help of Pythagoras theorem. Here you observe that OA is equals to 1 centimeter, AB is equals to 1 centimeter. So how will you calculate OB? We know that hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So OB will be equals to what? Root under 1 square plus 1 square. That will be how much? Root 2. Now what you have to do, from OB you put the compass on O and cut an arc from B. So that will be your root 2, and here you mark it as point P. So this is your root 2. Hope you understand. Shall I repeat this thing again? What you have to do, you draw a horizontal line. After that, you take O as center. From A, take radius 1 centimeter and you cut an arc. After that, from A, you draw the perpendicular OA and draw 90 degree. After that, what you have to do, you take OA as distance, or you can say OA as the measurement, that is 1 centimeter. From A, you cut an arc and join OB. So here OA is 1 centimeter, AB is 1 centimeter, and from O you put the compass here and draw an arc. That will be equals to your root 2. Similarly, you can draw root 3 also. From B, again you draw the perpendicular. After drawing the perpendicular, you take an arc and you draw the line like this. Then you join OC, and from C you draw another line. That will be equals to root 3. Accordingly, you follow root 5 and you can draw root 10 also. I hope this topic is clear to you, and if you face any problem, you can contact me in between 2 to 4 p.m. I am giving you my number 620-4252-753. So you can contact me in this number. Thank you.